outfit today. I'm going on a date with my best friend and we haven't seen each other in so long. So I'm so excited. I literally did my makeup extra nice just so we can take a lot of pictures. I'm gonna be wearing this. I'm wearing this kurti with jeans and I'm gonna do jewelry. I'm gonna fix my hair so you can see me after I'm done. Okay, please just excuse my hair, but I'm wearing jewelry first. So I wore this cute bear bracelet and I wore my steno bracelets. Both of these were gifted to me, so I love my friends. But I was thinking of wearing a necklace. So the first one is the Vivienne Wood one and I think it looks really good. Also, this is not real, so don't worry. The second one is this moon one. I definitely like this one much better. I think it goes very well with the outfit, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm ready and there's one problem. I do not like the way I look right now. There is just something that's bothering me, but it's fine, I guess. So I'm ready, and literally every piece of jewelry that I have right now is gifted to me. I told you about these two bracelets, but this moon necklace was gifted to me by my best friend. These jhumkas literally gifted to me by Yusra Asim. That's literally my heart, and I wear them all the time. Also, ignore this please. I'm just a girl. Ignore this. I'm gonna try to give you guys a fit check. So I'm wearing this kurti and a necklace and chunky. And I paired this kurti with my favorite jeans. I wear this so much. I'm gonna wear these with the jeans. Oh, that's a... You're so breathless, like we're hiking or something. We're not hiking, guys. We're just in a golf course. Sarah is just dramatic. Pretty. Bro, I should take a picture of you here. Okay, so Sarah brought us ice cream, but it's gonna melt if we don't eat it soon. What is this awkward?
We're doing is ice cream.
Eating ice cream. No, it's wow, it's very okay. You were stressing for absolutely no reason.
Not multi-pal.
Genuinely don't know why people like nuts. Dry fruits.
They're the only fruits I like.
You are so twisted.
You're the weird one.
The only fruits that you like are the fruits that I don't like.
Same. मैं normal fruits नहीं खाती. No. और मैं इस week मम्मा ने करी बनाई थी. I was literally dying over it. और मुझे randomly याद आ रहा था ईमान होती, she would not have liked this.
I don't like curry. I don't. I need to fix my lipstick.
Let's go.
And I need lip gloss. I also brought my little phone.
Little phone?
इसमें SIM है, just in case.
मेरा नेट खत्म हो गया. मैं इतनी गंदी लग रही
I was not planning to have net. जब से मेरे पास PTA वाला phone नहीं है, I'm so used to not having net outside or any way of someone calling me. I don't care.
होता है वो मेरा अभी खत्म हुआ.
You. Big UV generation के symptoms हैं ये. clouds are moving. Clouds move.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and this is my channel, and I'm vlogging our girl date. And Iman doesn't exist, so
Who are you having a girl date with?
myself.
Yeah.
I'm having a lot of fun by myself.
No, you're not.
I'm having a lot of fun with Iman.
Yo.
You can only see her lips. Take more.
Like you a little, don't want no riddle.
You should take a picture. Is it taking pictures?
It is taking a lot of pictures. We just filmed the girlfriend trend, and now we are gonna film another one. But it's getting so dark.
Yeah.
But it's okay. It's okay. We are on our way to do boating. God, it's so dark. Sarah is taking her sweet time to take off her multi-billion-dollar shoes.
They're like 200 rupees.
Okay, you don't have to say that to the camera. We are rich. No, we're not rich. We are not rich at all.
We're broke bitches.
We are broke bitches.
What do you mean?
Sarah looks like a vision.
Thank you.
I'm trying to save. I fed this cat my pizza. You're so cute. Slushes. We did not expect it to be this big. So that was weird, but
It's bigger than my face. What do I do?
and it's so cold.
We have these, but like we cannot eat and drink at the same time anymore.
And this is good, but also not good. I do not know how to explain
Yeah.
this. You know? Okay, so I just came home. I forgot to film. Literally, I forgot to film. But we ended the day by literally go-karting. I needed that because I literally drove to the maximum limit that like Sarah thought we would die. But hey, I'm the world's best driver. It was such a good day. I'm so exhausted and I don't want to go to uni tomorrow. My phone's dying though, so thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.